All right, here we go. On the way to pick up the Benz. What a day. My Benz is broken. Look and see if I can do the work myself and go from there. This is about to be an adventure. Sun is out. It's about 50 degrees out. Alright, so here we go. Here is my 2012 Mercedes S550 4matic. Bought it a couple of years ago. Really loved the car, had a lot of fun in it. But here we are today. We're at a repair shop and the car is pretty much dead right now. The drive shaft for the front differential. Sucks for me, don't it? Here we are at the beginning of rebuilding this car back up to drivability. Alright. Baby dirty. Been sitting out here in the weather for a while. Needs to be washed up. So let's see. Push to start. Oh no, looks like the battery done died on it. Looks like I'm gonna have to jump her. Yep, looks like that's what I'm gonna have to do. Red handle. Pop the hood and the trunk. It's not one thing, it's another. What happened here? So, this is the reason why I don't like taking my vehicles to the dealership. This right here. Another part for the car. I know. I shouldn't have jumped it that way. That's what most people would say. But for some reason, when they try to jump this car by grounding it to the frame of the car, they don't want to start unless you let it sit for a while and just let it charge up. Never destroyed a battery or an alternator from doing that, so hey, why not? All right, and I see I have a flat tire. I can't get a brake with this damn car. Flat tires and everything. Go ahead and fill that up. All right, the tow truck has showed up now. Got her back to the house. She's home. Getting ready to jack her up. So I can take a look and see. I'm actually looking at with this repair. So let me get set up and I'll be right back. Alright, so to explain what's going on here, okay, so the drive shaft itself looks like it's fine. So the drive shaft itself looks like it's fine, but it looks like what happened is the spline broke on the transmission. It comes out of, it goes between the transmission and the front carrier. So look, barely see where it actually broke off at. Broke off right there in the middle of the screen. So because of that, I am told that I need to get a new transmission in order to repair that. So before I do that, I'm going to see if I can find parts, because right there where that comes out of, that you can't see because of the engine, the brace that's sitting right there, but there's a transfer case on the back of the transmission. Mercedes is telling me that the gear that connects to that blind can't be ordered separately, so you have to get a whole nother transmission. So I am about to go on a search to see if I can at least find a bad transmission that still has those gears that is in good condition, and possibly maybe just replace that instead of the whole transmission. If not, then my next step will be replacing the transmission. While I do that research, I'm going to be disassembling a lot of the things from under here. In order to see if I can repair this drive shaft, or at least get the end of that spline out of there. Otherwise, I'm going to have to buy another drive shaft also. So stay tuned. Follow.